I don't know.
It didn't work!
Boo!
Ah! Ralph! That's really scary!
Did it work?
No!
Hello, Henry. Miss Oddbod wants to see you in her office.
Oh, great. That's all I need. Oh, whatever it wasn't my fault.
Oh, no, Henry, you haven't done anything wrong today. I've got someone here who wants to meet you. This is Mr. Snapshot from the Big Book of Weird and Wacky Records.
Hi there, Henry. Call me Sam. We think you're about to break a record.
Me? What record?
Well, according to my notes, you got your hiccups at 9:30 this morning, and you've been hiccuping at a constant rate ever since. We estimate that you have hiccuped 9,389 times.
4 more, and you've got the town record.
You mean I could be a record breaker?
3 more to go. So, we need a picture of you for next year's cover, and there's £50 of prize money too.
Wow! I'm going to be rich and famous!
Let's go outside, shall we? I want to get a photo of that record-breaking hiccup. Whenever you're ready, hiccuping Henry.
Any minute now! I can feel it! It's on its way!
Oh, I love it when he hiccups.
We found one, Henry!
What? There's a frog in my trousers! Ah! There's a frog in my trousers! What did you do that for, worm?
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
The TV? You are blocking it? Would you move?
I'm onto your little game, slimy Sammy.
You missed a bit, Henri.
Where?
Oh, my mistake.
Here you are. Here's your comic. Henry!
I'll get you off that sofa if it's the last thing I do.
You must be exhausted, Sammy.
He must be exhausted.
Thank you, cher ami. My head, it is much better.
Yippee! Then shall we play chess?
A little later, perhaps, dear Peter. But first, may I have a drink?
Oh, allow me. It would be an honour to make a drink for our guest. Oh, yes. A drink for our guest. Here's a drink you'll never forget, slimy Sammy. Here you are, Sammy. Here's your lovely drink.
What is that?
It's called a Sammy surprise.
What's in it?
It's a surprise.
Oh, thank you, Henri.
Hope you like spider juice, Sammy.
For you, madame.
Oh, merci.
Oh, no. Henry! He's not going to beat me in my own house. I'll show him who's boss. Now for a bit of home unimprovement.
Time for a surprise, everyone.
Uh-oh.
Cream cake. Henry!
Right.
It all needs to go in the cupboard upstairs.
Yes, Mum.
Hello, Henry. I was thinking you might like a little help, no?
No thanks.
Voila!
Thanks.
Mon plaisir. Ah, but wait! You have dropped something. Just let me put it back.
No, wait!
Comme ça.
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Giddy up, Wolfie!
Oh, hello, Bill. Hello, Peter. Can I help you? Yes. Will you be my goalpost today?
I'd love to, but I'm playing Giddy Up with my friends.
I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. Will you be my goalpost today? So, what do you say, Petey?
Back off! Under your rock and crawl, please. Get me out! Get me out! Well, this is a first. Did you lose something? I must have slipped. It was Buffy Bill. I told you to stand up to him. I did, and this is where it got me. Well, we're going to have to do something. Because you're going to ruin my reputation. What is it? Attention! It's time to toughen you up, Peter. Faster, you wet nappy! Get those knees higher! I'm cold and tired. No excuses! Faster! Oh, I've stepped in something nasty. Okay, Peter, meet Bossy Bill. Looks like an old sack to me. Oh, look, just attack him. You are Peter the Punisher, okay? Right. Oh, this isn't going to be easy. It's all wet. Well, you should feel right at home then. Come on, soldier. Up you go, you worthless worm. Stop climbing!
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
This is so not fair. I'm the only person I know who hasn't lost a stupid tooth. Everyone else has. Everyone. Moody Margaret, Rude Ralph, Gorgeous Gorinda, Aerobic Al, Weepy William, Singing Soraya, and even Fluffy the cat. And now Peter's lost a tooth. It's so embarrassing. Henry, do you want another look at my tooth? Not particularly. Do you think I might get 50p from the Tooth Fairy? I can help you get more money if you want. No, thank you. But you can take a photo of my tooth. Then I can do a copy for Mum, and a copy for Dad, and a copy for all my friends.
Stop that! Don't be horrid, Henry. It won't hurt you to take his picture.
Then I'm going going to put my tooth in an envelope for the tooth fairy. Oh, I wasn't ready.
Tough. I have got to lose a tooth. Come on, teeth, move! Wobble! Stupid teeth won't budge. It's like they're superglued to my gums. Everyone knows the more sweets you eat, the quicker your teeth rot. Oh, this is going to take forever.
But you don't like toffee, Henry.
No, because it always gets stuck in my teeth. So I reckon a tooth could get stuck in it.
Ah, clever. Well, is it working?
I can't open my mouth! Help me!
What? Oh, help you. Course.
Okay, 1, 2, 3!
Huh?
They're all still there!
Henry?
Aha! But I won't lie to you, that's my toffee. I threw it at you, and I deserve a punch in the mouth, don't I?
I don't know.
Well, think about it. Don't you think chucking confectionery at you shows a certain lack of respect?
I don't know.
Take my word for it, it does. And if you were to punch me in the mouth and knock my tooth out, I wouldn't even mind, I swear.
I don't know.
Ah! Did that work?
No.
Brilliant save, though.
1 tooth, that's all I need.
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Et voila!
Oh, gross.
Let's see you eat that.
£2, Henry, £2.
Not bad. Tastes like chewing gum. Oh, Steve. They're so scrumptious.
Oh. Bernica, stop slurping. Yes, Mother. And eat your vegetables. Yes, Mother. Henry.
Good evening, Miss Badlax. I hope you have a scrumptious meal.
My, what nice manners. He didn't learn those in your class, I'm sure.
Zut alors! Only 2 drops. Le sauce poche is too hot and spicy for the English tummy.
Perhaps Monsieur is, lust?
No, my cousin forgot to ask for some la sauce poche on his food. I was going to tell the cook.
You have told me. I will inform the chef.
Good. My cousin really likes spicy food. At least 5 drops. Yes!
Close your mouth, Boudica. I swear I can see right down your gullet. Mother! Excuse me, young man. I hope my daughter is teaching you properly. Mother!
Oh, yes, Mum, she does. Goodbye.
Oh, that lovely boy. He's so sweet. But, Mother, he's the most horrid boy in my class. And whose fault is that?
Finally, our dinner is here. Oh, look, squid. I don't like squid.
And I don't like tomatoes.
And I don't like beetroot.
Oh, ordered their favourites.
Oh, it's so nice to be appreciated. I'm sure you will all enjoy every mouthful.
And for monsieur, the speciality of the house, tripe.
I wouldn't eat that, not even for £2. Once you've eaten a snail, you can eat anything. Ah, delicious. Eat up, everyone. This is real food.
Yes.
How's your extra hot sauce, Steve?
Bonica, sit down this instant.
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Would you care for some refreshments?
Popcorn. I hate popcorn.
Oh, sorry. My mistake. I should have checked first. Oh, I love ballroom dancing. What's your favourite? The foxtrot? The tango?
Get lost. Henry, you're doing it all wrong. It's more of a cha-cha-cha than a do-do-do-da. Get out of my way! You can both go to bed right now.
But it's not my bedtime for hours.
I thought we could all have a nice game of Chinese checkers before bedtime. Oh, OK. If you don't like that, how about Tiddlywinks?
We're playing hide and seek. You both hide, and if I find you, you'll be wishing I hadn't.
Patsy, I'm hiding in the cupboard under the stairs. Aren't you going to hide?
Not from Rabid Rebecca, I'm not. I've beaten all the other babysitters in town, and I'm not going to lose this time. Let the games begin!
Hey, this is my hiding place.
We have an intruder in the house! Come quickly!
An intruder?
Don't worry, son. We'll have a squad car over there in no time. Now, what's this intruder look like?
10 feet tall, teeth the size of icebergs, and she's watching our TV right now!
But that's Rebecca. She's not an intruder. If the police thought Rebecca was the intruder and took her away, does that mean I win hide and seek?
No, you most definitely haven't won hide and seek.
It's so easy being me. I'm Horrid Henry.
Where has the worm put him?
I'll do all my homework after I've cleaned my cello, Mum. Look at all this mess! Mum!
You did it! You stole Mr. Kill! You've been waiting to get back at me.
For what?
Everything!
Mum! Henry's being horrid!
We'd have got first prize in the sandcastle competition if you hadn't started blubbering.
Mum!
And that's not all.
What's a perfect day? Not a cloud in the sky. The birds tweeting softly as their wings flutter by.
Not even a thank you for that flying lesson. Oh, and what about your birthday? We never did find Stinky again. All thanks to you, you snivelling toad. So, where is Mr. Kill?
Mom!
Silence, worm. Well, if you're not going to tell me, I'll have to use force.
No! No! Anything but that!
What have you done with Mr. Kill?
I haven't touched him! Honest! What are you doing? You leave that alone!
I really don't want to do this, but you've left me no choice. Mr. Kill?
Please! I don't know!
Last chance!
What have you done?
Tell them, Peter. Confess!
Not Peter, you, Henry.
Me? He's the thief! He took Mr. Kill!
No, he didn't. I know he didn't.
Well, who did then?
I did.
Of course! I should have known! You cleaned my room, didn't you? That's when you took him. And I know why you took him too. Because you want to blackmail me into being good like Peter!
That's it. I have had enough.
Hey, this is my investigation! Let me go! Let me go!
There's Mr. Kill. No one stole him. I washed him because he was smelly.
Oh.
How could you accuse me of stealing your teddy bear, Henry? And how could you accuse your little brother too?
And your father.
And me.
You, young man, are going to stay in your room for the rest of the day.
What?
And you can pay for poor Peter's cello strings with your pocket money.
Now go straight to bed.
What about Mr. Kill?
He's staying right there.
It's so easy.